Kung Pao Chicken, 宫保鸡丁, is a popular Sichuan-style dish. It's hot, sour, sweet, crispy, and juicy. Super delicious. Now, let's see how to cook it. All materials are listed here. 2 pieces of chicken breast, about 1.1 pound. Half cucumber, that's enough. Several pieces of the carrot. 3 pieces of the green onions. Ginger, peeled. 5 pieces of garlic. Peanuts, 1 small plate. Dry pepper. And Sichuan green pepper, very special. That's it. Cut chicken breast. The short side is about 1 centimeter. Then cut into small pieces. Each side is about 1 centimeter, like dices. When finished cutting, put into a bowl. Use a 2.5 milliliter spoon, salt 1 spoon, white pepper 1 spoon, 5 spice powder 1 spoon, red pepper 1 spoon. Use a 7.5 milliliter spoon, cooking wine 1 spoon, starch 2 spoons, salt 1 and 2. Use a spatula to stir it, left to right, up to bottom, until all seasonings mix well with the chicken meat. Then put aside, waiting for 15 minutes. Cut green onion. Each piece is about 1.5 inches. Cut. Put on a plate. Cut ginger by thin pieces, then slice them. Put on a plate. Finally, smash garlic, then cut into small pieces. Get very juicy. Now, put on a plate. Cut cucumber in the middle, then 2 cuts on long side. Finally, cut into small pieces, like dices. Then put on the plate. Cut carrots by pieces, about 3 millimeter thick. When finished cutting, put on the plate. Use a 15 milliliter spoon, light soy sauce 2 spoons, so 1 and 2. Brown soy sauce 1 spoon. Vinegar 1 spoon. Finally, oyster sauce 1 spoon. Stir it until mixed sauce is done. Use a non-stick wok. Pour veggie oil in. Barely cover the bottom. Use high heat. About 10 seconds, put the raw peanuts in. Stir it all the time. About 1 minute. Take the fried peanuts out gently. Put the sliced ginger in. Use high heat. Stir it. About 10 seconds. Put in the chicken meat. The meat is very sticky, so stir it all the time. Cook about 3 minutes until all of the meat changing the color. Turn off the heat and take out the meat. Add several drops of veggie oil. Use high heat. Then put the Sichuan green pepper, dry red pepper. Stir it. About 10 seconds. Smell is great. Then put the sliced carrots in. Stir it. Mix well. Cook for 30 seconds. Now put in cucumber. Stir and mix well. Cucumber is juicy, easy to cook. So, 10 seconds. Enough. Put in chicken meat. Stir and mix well. Do not forget our prepared mixed sauce. Put in. Stir all the time. Cook for another 1 minute. Add 1 spoon of sugar, about 5 milliliters. Stir and mix well. Let sugar melt. Put green onion. Put garlic. We add garlic almost at the last minute, since we want to keep some raw fresh garlic smell. So special. Finally, put fried peanuts. Mix well. We want to keep peanuts crispy. So, 20 seconds enough. Yes, it's done. Put on a plate. Wow, 好香哦! In Qing dynasty, about 170 years ago, there was a state governor in Sichuan Province. His name was Pao Zhen. He loved chicken, peanuts, especially spicy food. He invented this recipe. Even the emperor at that time loved this dish. Then people used his honorary title, Kung Pao, to name this chicken. So it's called Kung Pao Chicken, 宫保鸡丁. Even now, it's so popular in China. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and give comments. Thank you for watching. See you soon.